With immediate effect, the Prime Minister of Grenada, Dr. Keith Mitchell, announced on Friday that all visits to elderly nursing homes will be suspended until further notice, while persons receiving home care are warned to exercise extreme caution. Based on developments in neighboring islands such as Trinidad and Tobago and St. Vincent and the Grenadines, who have recorded the first cases of the virus, Prime Minister Mitchell is adamant that Grenada may soon record its first case. As a result, the government has swung into activation mode in preparation for COVID-19 virus. The Prime Minister highlighted the necessary measures effective from Monday, March 16th.
All schools in Grenada, Carriacou and Petit Martinique will be closed for 2 weeks in the first instance as a necessary precaution against the contracting or spread of COVID-19. Furthermore, teachers are being asked to work from home from next Wednesday, March 18. Educators and administrators are asked to report to schools on Monday and Tuesday, March 16th and 17th, to prepare all relevant materials needed to work remotely.
The usual way of greeting and interacting with each other are now subject to change as the Prime Minister brought to light the possibility of the spread of the virus.
Social distancing is a new term in the fight against COVID-19 virus. Accordingly to the experts, the virus is contracted from droplets when an infected person speaks, coughs, or sneezes, and either drops on a surface or on a person within 6 feet radius.
There have been a number of cancellations as Grenada continues to tread on the side of caution.
We are therefore requesting that all public and other social gatherings, such as cultural, religious, and sporting events, cinemas, and other places that people gather, that cannot guarantee a minimum of 6 feet of social distances, be further suspended until further notice. It is paramount that we protect as much as possible all citizens, particularly our elderly, as they are the most susceptible to die in this outbreak.
Persons are reminded of these essential tips in protecting one's self and their families.
Those include constant and proper hand washing with soap and water, or the use of an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 70% alcohol, and disinfecting all surfaces using a mixture of bleach and water. As I stated earlier, social distancing is one of the established best practices in the fight against the community spread of COVID-19 virus. In that regard, we are asking that you refrain from using public transportation when possible. We encourage bus operators to continue to sanitize their buses using the bleach and water mixture.
Christina John, GBN News.